I'm testing a microwave. There are two tests we do on a microwave. One is a portable appliance test its integrity, and the other is an emissions test. So we will do both tests here. The first test we'll do then is the pat test, connecting the microwave to the pat tester, and by using a probe on a suitable earth point, which normally is with a screw on the side, you can see there. Okay. I open the door because it means the microwave is on, and press class 1. And again, that particular result is giving us 0.10. Fuse is okay, and the insulation is greater than 199 megs. So that's the pat test done. Having done that, we'll then attach a label to the plug and plug it in. The next test will be an emissions test.